Hello brilliant minds. Now I have a question for you on their quadratic equations. You have to factorize p squared plus 5 over 6p plus 1 over 6. Now when you look at this problem, it looks as if it's difficult. No, let's see how to solve this problem. Now you have p squared plus 5 over 6p plus 1 over 6. Now the first thing is to identify the sum and product. Now the sum is the coefficient of p, and that is the number beside p. So sum is 5 over 6. And then the product is this number independent of p. Or if we have any number here, the coefficient here is 1, so use it to multiply what we have here. That's 1 over 6. So now the product is 1 over 6. Okay, so now the next thing is to look for two numbers such that when you multiply together you have 1 over 6, and when you add together you have 5 over 6. What are the two numbers? So we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. So look at these two numbers. When you multiply together you have 1 over 6. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 3, you have 6. And when you add the two together, you're going to have 5 over 6. Okay? Alright, so now we incorporate this here. So this expression turns to p squared plus 1 over 2p plus 1 over 3p plus 1 over 6. Okay, so now you look for the GCD of these two terms. So what is the GCD? That's p. So when you divide this by p, you have p, and when you divide this by p, you have 1 over 2. The same thing here. The GCD here is 1 over 3 because 1 over 3 can go here, can also go here. So we have plus 1 over 3. Okay, so when you divide this by 1 over 3, you have p. When you divide this by 1 over 3, you have 1 over 2. So here you can factor out p plus 1 over 2. So we have p plus 1 over 2. So you are left with p and 1 over 3. So p plus 1 over 3. And this is the answer to the problem. Thank you.